Indulge your sweet tooth in the irresistible world of brownies, a classic treat that marries rich chocolatey goodness with a decadent fudgy texture. Begin your baking adventure by gathering the essentials: unsalted butter, sugar, eggs, cocoa powder, flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Melt the butter and mix it with sugar until the blend achieves a silky, smooth consistency. Incorporate the eggs one at a time, whisking energetically to create a luscious batter. Introduce cocoa powder, flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt, blending until all ingredients harmonize into a velvety chocolatey concoction. Pour this delectable batter into a pre-prepared baking pan, ensuring an even spread for uniform baking. As your kitchen fills with the aroma of chocolatey anticipation, pop the pan into the preheated oven, letting the brownies bake to perfection. Once a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with a few moist crumbs, the telltale sign of gooey indulgence, it's time to let your brownies cool. Allow them to rest, letting the flavors meld and the texture set into the ideal fudgy consistency. The final act involves cutting your brownie masterpiece into squares, revealing the rich, dense interior. Each bite is a symphony of chocolate, delivering a perfect balance of sweetness and depth. Whether enjoyed warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or savored on its own, these brownies are a celebration of chocolate in its purest form. Dive into the world of homemade decadence with these classic brownies, a timeless treat that never fails to satisfy the sweetest cravings.